Good afternoon, students. Today we are starting with the topic which is already being done with you, and I'm taking it again so that you can revise it and you can learn it again. Hope you're doing good at home. Revise whatever I'm taking in the revision classes. Revise along with me. So today we are starting with in English and Hindi. We'll do this topic in English and Hindi both, just because you should know these weekdays in Hindi also, in English also. So first of all, I'll make you understand in English and later on in Hindi. So I'm starting with weekdays. Weekdays is what? Weekday is like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So we are talking in English now. So I'm starting the weekdays with English. The days start with Sunday, 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 Sunday. Then comes what? Monday, 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 Monday. So first comes Sunday, then Monday, then Tuesday, 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 Tuesday. Then comes what? Wednesday, 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 Wednesday. Then comes what? Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. Then comes what? Friday, 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 Friday. Then comes what? Saturday, 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 Saturday. So what we have learned? We are starting from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and again Sunday. So how many days we have in a week? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then again Sunday. So we have 7 days in a week. These 7 days starting from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, count on your fingers, students, count on your fingers. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now we have counted how many days? 7 days. These 7 days make a week. They make 1 week. Like 7 days make 1 week. Okay. And then again if I say 14 days, then that means they are 2 weeks. 7 plus 7, it is how much? 14. So 7 means Sunday till Saturday and then again Sunday till Saturday. So how many days? 7 plus 7, 14 days, and 14 days means 2 weeks. And then if we add again 7 in 14, then it will become 3 weeks. Then again if 7 days are added, it will become 4 weeks, so on. Okay, this ways we came to know that 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 5 weeks. And then when we say it is 28 days or 31 days, that makes a month. That makes a single month. 1 month is completed around 4 to 5 weeks. Okay, in a month there are 4 to 5 weeks. Okay, or sometimes 4 weeks and few days, or sometimes 5 weeks or few days. Okay, so this ways we finish a month with weeks. And weeks has how many days? 7 days. A week has how many days? 7 days. If I ask you one question that how many days are there in a week, it is 7 days. So now again you need to learn one more thing. that if I say which day comes before, before means one day before, okay, the day which has gone is before. And if I say after, that means the day which has to come, which has to come next. Before means a day before, and next is which has to come. So if I say which day comes after Monday, it is Tuesday, and after Tuesday it is Wednesday, after Wednesday it is Thursday, after Thursday it is Friday, after Friday it is Saturday, and after Saturday it is Sunday, and after Sunday it is again Monday, and this chain goes on. This goes on, days goes on like this only. And if I say which day comes before Sunday, that is Saturday, and before Saturday it is Friday, and before Friday it is Thursday, before Thursday it is Wednesday, and before Wednesday it is Tuesday, and before Tuesday it is Monday. So same goes with clockwise also and anti-clockwise also. If I say a day before, that means a day before Sunday it is Saturday, and day after Sunday is Monday. Got it now? So you need to understand again that a week has 7 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then again Monday. Okay? Now what I want to tell you again, I want to repeat one thing more, that 7 days make 1 week. If we add 7 days and 7 days, that means 14 days. 14 days makes 2 weeks. And then if I add 7 in 14, then that will become 3 week. And again if I add 7 in that number, that will become 4th week, and so on. Got it? So we are done with English. Now we are starting with Hindi. हिंदी में वीकडेज को क्या कहते हैं? सप्ताह. एक सप्ताह मतलब एक वीक. गॉट इट? अब हम किससे शुरुआत करते हैं? सोमवार से. सोमवार को हम क्या कहते हैं? मंडे. मंगलवार ट्यूसडे, बुधवार वेडनेसडे, बृहस्पतिवार थर्सडे, शुक्रवार फ्राइडे, शनिवार सैटरडे, रविवार संडे. गॉट इट? देन अगेन सोमवार मंडे, मंगलवार ट्यूसडे, बुधवार वेडनेसडे, बृहस्पतिवार थर्सडे, शुक्रवार फ्राइडे, शनिवार सैटरडे, रविवार संडे. रविवार को हम इतवार भी बोल देते हैं बहुत बारी. गॉट इट? बहुत बार हम रविवार को क्या बोल देते हैं? इतवार. सो अगेन स्टार्टिंग. सोमवार, मंगलवार, बुधवार, बृहस्पतिवार, शुक्रवार, शनिवार, रविवार या इतवार. गॉट इट? देन अगेन सोमवार, मंगलवार, बुधवार, बृहस्पतिवार, शुक्रवार, शनिवार, रविवार, अगेन सोमवार. अगेन रिपीट विद मी. सोमवार, दैट इज मंडे. मंगलवार, दैट इज ट्यूसडे इन इंग्लिश. बुधवार, वेडनेसडे. बृहस्पतिवार, थर्सडे. शुक्रवार, फ्राइडे, शनिवार, सैटरडे, रविवार, संडे. गॉट इट? अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग. मंडे, सोमवार, ट्यूसडे, मंगलवार, वेडनेसडे, बुधवार, थर्सडे, बृहस्पतिवार, फ्राइडे, शुक्रवार, सैटरडे, शनिवार, संडे, रविवार. So what we have learned? We have learned weekdays in English and weekdays in Hindi also. लाइक आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट 7 days मेक 1 week. सेम इन हिंदी 7 दिन एक सप्ताह बनाते हैं. एक हफ्ता 7 दिन का होता है. गॉट इट? 7 दिन मिलकर एक सप्ताह बनाते हैं. यू हैव टू लर्न दिस इन हिंदी ऑल्सो, इन इंग्लिश ऑल्सो. लाइक 7 days मेक्स अ वीक. सेम 7 दिन एक सप्ताह बनाते हैं. वीक को हम सप्ताह कहते हैं, 7 days को हम 7 दिन कहते हैं. तो 7 दिन मिलकर क्या बनाते हैं? एक सप्ताह. और सप्ताह को हम क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में? वीक. अगेन आई एम रिवाइजिंग विद यू. मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे एंड संडे. नाउ इन हिंदी, सोमवार, मंगलवार, बुधवार, बृहस्पतिवार, शुक्रवार, शनिवार, रविवार या फिर इतवार भी हम बोल देते हैं. सो अगेन रिवाइज विद मी. मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे and Sunday. Again repeat with me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now in Hindi, सोमवार, मंगलवार, बुधवार, बृहस्पतिवार, शुक्रवार, शनिवार, रविवार या फिर इतवार. अगेन रिपीट. सोमवार, मंगलवार, बुधवार, बृहस्पतिवार, शुक्रवार, शनिवार, रविवार या इतवार. सो व्हाट वी हैव लर्न इन दिस वीडियो, वीक डेज और सप्ताह के नाम हिंदी में और इंग्लिश में, in both the ways. So revise them thoroughly. I'll upload this video on YouTube channel for you, and I will upload this PDF of this whatever I have made for you on Snap Homework. Revise it again and again. This is very easy. Repeat it again and again. Try and learn the spelling as well. And spellings are also easy. Learn them also. First of all, learn which day come after which day, and then when you are done with learning in Hindi and English, then you can try for spellings also. 7 days make 1 week and 7 दिन एक सप्ताह बनाते हैं. It is in Hindi and English. I am taking both English and Hindi together. Revise them thoroughly from Snap Homework and by looking at the video on YouTube. That's all in this topic. Thank you for the class.